Hey everybody. So a new butcher shop just opened up in downtown Lamar's on the 1st of April. It's called Jordan's Meat Market. So turns out it's only a short walk from my house, so I decided to go down and pick up some stuff, make some sandwiches, and later on I'm gonna make some jambalaya. I'm just throwing shit everywhere. And some other goodies this week and try out some of their product. Their meat is supposed to be really, really good. And they have chicken and a bunch of other things that I picked up. They make their own sausage. So today, I'm going to make a steak sandwich for my guys. So it's just starting with spreading some mayo on some of my homemade bread because I spent this morning baking some bread for everybody. And then I also picked up some of Jordan's smoked provolone because I thought it would go really good with the sandwich. So we're just gonna put that on. And on top of that, we're going to add some nice thin cut grilled ribeye steak from Jordan's. My guys are gonna have a yummy supper tonight and a really good work lunch tomorrow. To top it off, I caramelized some onions. Get that on there. Done with butter, and I added a little bit of red wine just to add some nice flavor to them. And mushrooms. Everybody loves mushrooms. Thinking this will make a nice big hearty sandwich for the guys. Let's add just a little bit more. What the hell? And then of course you gotta have your greens, right? My son would beg to differ, but let's add some arugula. Just to add a little bit of a nice peppery bite to the sandwich. I also got a smoked chicken, and I'm gonna make some chicken salad sandwiches for my husband later this week for his work lunches. Let me know if you guys wanna see that. So here we have it. Grilled steak sandwich.
Oh my God, that is so good.